Have you ever had the feeling that when your back is against a solid wall, your thoughts are clearer and you feel more grounded? And when you sit with your back to an open door, there is always a subtle sense of unease. This feeling is not a coincidence. It comes from our deepest instinct for security. In Feng Shui, we call this the command position. The command position is one of the most important and powerful principles in Feng Shui. It is not about luck, it is about mindset. Imagine a general in his tent, or an emperor on his throne. They can always see everything that enters their domain, and they have the strongest support behind them. This is the essence of the command position, an energetic placement that allows you to feel secure, calm, and in control. So how do you find and use the command position in your space? The key lies in three main areas: your bed, your desk, and your stove. Rule 1. You need to be able to see the door to the room clearly. This allows you to see any person or opportunity that comes into your space. Rule 2. Do not be in a direct line with the door. This prevents you from being hit by the direct rush of energy from the outside. Rule 3. You should have a solid wall behind you. This gives you the strongest support and backing. But what if your room is small and a perfect layout is impossible? Do not worry, Feng Shui is the wise art of adaptation. You can place a small mirror on your desk, allowing you to see a reflection of the door. Or choose a high-backed chair. This can create a virtual mountain of support for you. The command position is far more than a layout rule. It is the Tao of feeling protected and supported of wisdom that allows you to face all of life's challenges and opportunities with your utmost confidence and calm. In our next episode, we will explore the mystery of Qi. Thank you for watching.